Hi guys, Alina here, welcome to my channel, and today I like to share with you how I create this beautiful design for Halloween. You can do the same design on natural nails, on short nails or on long nails. On this point I have a tips and I'm apply black gel polish, only one coat. Remember our Alina gel polish very high pigment, so we don't need 2 or 3 coat. One coat it's more than enough. So I am apply black gel polish and cure it nicely for 2 full minutes. For ombre effect, I will use palette and I will mix about 2-3 colors dark gray. It has to be from dark gray to lighter gray. As well, I use for that mixing from paint gel and black paint gel polish. You can use as well black paint gel, but like I say, our pigment it's very high on the gel polish, so it's work very well as well. And you can see I mix it from light gray color to dark gray color. As well, for a paint you can use beige, gray or white color. On next step I will use sponge to create ombre effect. I will as well use it my paint what I mix it, and now I'm apply and blend it nicely first layer. It will be dark gray layer. You have to blend it very nicely. Please don't put a lot, because remember we will use it as well to another colors what it's come lighter. And if you are in the first place put a lot of paint or a lot of product, it will be quite bulky. Between each layer I cure it in the lamp. Sometimes you don't have to put on the lamp if your paint it's very high pigmented, but I can see different when we are curing between layers. It's nice, smooth, and it's not bulky at all. Plus it as well give nice and accurate effect. We don't want it to look too messy, so that's why we cure it between each layer. Just be careful when you apply paint, you are not cover black spot. We still need this black spot pop out. And then with black paint, I will draw stiletto or stiletton. So first I will draw eyes, then I will see where it's going to be my teeth and where is the nose. It's very important to put at least a little bit marks where it will be what. Then your picture on total will be correct, and then you slowly add it. Perfect way if you have example. For example, you can use screenshot from my nails and you can do it step by steps as well. It's be much easier for you and it will look in the end right picture. When I finish with drawing and I am cured in the lamp for 1 minute, I will apply stickers. It's called 3D stickers. And to stick properly, I actually recommend to use foil gel because it's quite sticky. Before I was using it's like base coat or thick base, but now I'm understand, and for me it's work much better if I use foil gel. It's stick very nicely all my stickers and it's not look bulky. So I am apply first my sticky gel, then I am cure it at least for 1 minute, and then I'm apply my 3D stickers. When you apply 3D stickers, I'm use as well or hands, like in this point I have a gloves, but if you don't have a gloves, then use silicone tools. So look here, it's look very cool, and it's 3D stickers and hand painted. It's work very well as well. You can use it maybe water sliders work as well amazing. So I like to mix it different technique, then its nails will look completely unique, completely different. And to make perfect, I use base coat, thick base coat, and use this level where it stick little bit of sticker. I will cover it for after when you apply matte top coat. It will cover everything and you're not gonna see it at all, it's sticker. When my base coat is curing, now I use my matte top coat. I will apply matte top coat and I cure it for 1 full minute. Remember as well, when you finish with your matte top coat and you cure it nicely, you are never ever put straight away cuticle oil. You have to wait at least 2 minutes when it's completely cured, and then apply slowly and little bit, not a lot of amount, around cuticles. Don't put exactly on the nails. So now we're curing for 1 minute. Here is the result. You can see how cool it is. It's very simple and easy design, but effect it's very nice. And clients normally love it like this effect. Of course, I have to put some stones and blinks. This is like my favorite part. So here it is after curing. I love this design, and as well remember, you always can change this color. You can use the same technique, but if you apply on top some nice crystal clear red color, then your nails will be red with black effect. So it is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy I'm choose this design today for the video to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support me with like, and if you like to say for me something, please give me a comment, or maybe you have some ideas for another nails what I can show you. Let me know. Thank you. See you in the next video.